I've periodically come across outlets that are really hard to insert a plug into. I've always felt maybe the slides inside the outlet that contact the plug are too close together and they'll loosen up eventually, but that's never happened. I recently came up with a solution to fix this, and I'll show you that next. It never occurred to me to lubricate something electrical, maybe because I might have felt electricity and liquids don't mix. But this is not drowning the plug in WD-40. This is just spraying the plug with WD-40, then dabbing off any drips and leaving a small amount on each prong of the plug. Insert, then remove the plug from the outlet 2 or 3 times to get the WD-40 onto the parts inside the outlet. You should immediately feel a difference in how easy the plug now goes into the outlet. Something else that's nice is that now any plug you insert into that outlet also goes in easily. The outlet will remain lubricated for a while. My kitchen one has done well for more than a month now, and I use it every other day. This was a really quick video, but after having this problem for so long and only recently figuring it out, I thought it was a good idea to share it for someone else who could be having the same problem. Leave any questions or comments you may have in the comment section down below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.